Do you have tea by any chance? Tea? You have tea? Okay. You want croissant?
One small croissant.
You want the chocolate one? Huh?
There's one small chocolate croissant.
Wait, there is no small. That is the chocolate croissant.
Okay.
Fresh? Is this fresh croissant? Are you sure? Okay, get me one chocolate croissant and one tea.
कौन सा टी है? अदरक, इलायची,
Adrak. Adrak.
अदरक। उसमें मसाला ऐड करना है? मसाला टी है?
Nah.
मसाला नहीं ऐड करना?
Make it. Is it? Will you make it now or is it pre-made?
मिनट आएगा।
कुआला लुम्पुर को जाने
इलायची।
वाली मलेशिया
No, अदरक।
एयरलाइंस की उड़ान
वाटर बॉटल?
191
No.
गेट 8 से
कौन सा वाटर?
रवाना होगी।
ये भाई
I have a
स्टार्ट
question. I
Yeah.
have a question.
6
Okay.
शुगर फ्री।
Received 679 rupees on Pine Labs. Thank you.
No one is here. No one is here. Everyone is at Starbucks. Huh? I don't like to. Give me the freshest one, please.
If it's good,
You want it hot or?
no, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, look.
शुगर ऐड करना?
No, no, no.
George, do you have
शुगर ले।
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर। हेलो सर।
You want some sugar?
Is it good?
But this doesn't have sugar.
I don't care.
You want to try?
When it's a bit cool.
Okay, let's go. Gate. What is our gate? 22. Ah, I see the gate from here.
I'll roll it through the next time.
Huh?
I'll roll it through.
Huh? Of course we can go.
Does it have to give me
Huh?
no, like, this is
You just throw it afterwards. Where is 22? I thought I saw 22 somewhere. Tea is pretty good. Tea is okay. It's not bad. It's good. So boring in here. I don't think we can go in there. Huh?
We came like 4 hours earlier.
Yeah. But I don't think they will allow us to go. Let's sit here for some time. Come. See where we have charging ports. Nakshatra, you want to sleep? Shall we go the other side? అదే అక్కడ చూడు అది ఉంది.
I know.